Greetings, parents and students. This is Mr. Torgerson. The purpose of this video is to make you aware of the school's website as well as my website within the school's website. So I'm going to click on Chrome or Firefox here. The school's website, here's the URL, arborviewhighschool.org, or arborviewhs.org is the school's URL. Within this website, I have my own personal website under the staff directory. So I scrolled over the About, staff directory. It is alphabetical by last name. My last name is Torgerson, Torgesen. So if I click on this, it'll take you to my website within the school's website. So over here on the right, I have the class sections. So section 7, 9, and 18 for geometry, sections 1 and 2 for pre-algebra. I do not assign different homework for the different sections, so it does not matter which section you click on. I just included all those section numbers in here for confusion, if students were confused. So this is geometry, so let's click on one of the geometry sections. This will take me to some files to download or to view. So underneath this, you can find my course expectations right now, as well as the assignment sheet for the first semester. So here's the assignment sheet. Here's a link to the book, tinyurl.com/avhsgo 2018. It is a 66 megabytes in size. It can be downloaded as many times as you want on any computer. I put it up online for everybody to see. So let's open that up so you can see what that looks like. This is where the majority of our assignments will be assigned from. And here's the book coming up right now. Now, you're going to want to download this because if you download it, then you can use it with the page numbers using the PDF file. So what I mean by that is here's the PDF download of it. And if I'm using this, I can type in the page number here at the top rather than having to do, scrolling down 960 pages. So if I want page 150, I can just type 150 and I can get straight to 150 rather than having to scroll through the first 149 pages. Anyways, so you're going to want to download it wherever you're going to put it. It's 66 megabytes in size again, so it is quite large. I understand that. You can put it on any computer, any phone you want to, though. Now, it does say pre-calculus online. It's just because of the way it ended up getting uploaded. It's a geometry assignment book. It's a geometry book. Anyway, so this is our assignment sheet for the school for the first semester, semester 1, including the breaks as well as our tests, test dates. You can access this at any time. I have printed versions I handed out to the students, and they can get another copy if they happen to lose it. We also have a copy here of my course expectations, the syllabus. You can go through this at your leisure. I do not require parents to sign the last page because the school does a school-wide acknowledgement form. So you do not have to print this off and sign it. I'm not going to require that for this classroom. And as far as the movie things, I'm not going to be showing films in class that are PG. It's going to be educational films. Anyway, review this at your leisure. So that is the geometry class section. I will post other things here as we go through the year as well, perhaps. But there may not be much more posted on this part, the classes for geometry. The other thing I have here is a calendar. If I'm going to be gone, I will update the calendar when I'm going to be gone. I was gone September 4th last year. Or I'm going to be gone September 4th this year, sorry. And another thing here is the links. So there's a link to my YouTube channel. On this YouTube channel, you will find 2 folders, Pre-Algebra 2018, 2019, and then there will be a geometry folder here shortly. I haven't done the geometry one because I haven't finished the first video this year. But there will be a geometry folder posted here for you to view. In the folder, I will do test reviews weekly for our weekly tests, as well as practice problems now and then to help your students out for class-specific tests. That's what I will do on this channel, with this channel. The other thing I have here is a Khan Academy link. This is something you can do if you want to do extra work with your student. There is a Khan Academy here. There is a geometry topic group. There's also an Algebra 1 topic group. Both of these are excellent review groups for you to do with your student. So for example, maybe you want to review one day some Algebra 1 concepts. They've gone through Algebra 1 last year, so they should know all of these concepts from Algebra 1. So perhaps maybe I want to review solving equations. I can go through one of these videos on solving equations as well as a short assessment afterwards with my student. I'm not going to waste your time going through the thing here, but there's videos, assessments, videos, assessments built in within the videos. It is very user-friendly once you've used it a few times, and it is something that you all can do with your students. If you see your student struggling with math, this is something you can do with them to help them out. The other thing here is my email, torgetja@nv.ccsd.net. Don't hesitate to email me if you have a question, comment, or concern about the class. I will usually respond within a couple days, sometimes within the same day. I do check my email every day, morning and afternoon, when school gets out at 2:10. So not afternoon for most people, but afternoon for me. Anyways, that's all I had for you. Thank you.